Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this really cute she devil inspired set. So let's jump right into it. I'm starting off with my long square nail tips. These are from enailcouture. I'm going to go in with my favorite white gel polish, and it is from Amazon. I will have everything I'm using in the description box down below. I'm going to be using these nail decals that I had got a while back. I believe I got them from Nails by Christie's website. She used to sell nail decals. I don't think she does anymore, but I have always wanted some, so when I saw that she was having a sale, I got some. And this is my first time ever using these full nail sized ones, like the full sized ones. I've always used like regular little decals like butterflies and stuff, but I've never used these like whole ones, so I didn't really know how to use them. If you guys have any tips, let me know, because I have a lot of them that I got. So as you can see, I had it in the water. I left it in there for about 30 seconds, and then I went ahead and took it out, and it slid right off the little piece of paper, and it is just like a clear decal. So this one is like a cute lace one, and I really tried to flatten it down on the nail. I tried to do it my best I could. Again, I didn't really know how, but all I know is that you need to get all the water out. So I was just kind of pressing it down with my finger, flattening it out, and then I grabbed a brush to help me out as well, just because I felt like the brush would help too. So yeah, this is what it looked like. It already looked really good, and I did have to use like a bigger size decal. So these nails I actually just made for fun. I didn't make them for anyone, so I completely freestyled it, and it took me a little longer to do. I think it took me like 3 hours to do this set because of all the like brainstorming and everything I had to do for them. So then I grabbed this really cute little she devil inside of a martini glass. I love this decal. It's so cute. Obviously I'm not into like the devil type of stuff, but you know, for Halloween vibes, I like it. So I grabbed that one, and then I grabbed this really cute girl holding a skull and some flames. So I went ahead and grabbed those. I think these are like pinup inspired Halloween decals. I think that's what they're called. So I went ahead and grabbed that, and then I'm doing the other hand with the other lace right now. And I did go ahead and top coat it already once all the water was out and it was dry, because I thought I was going to leave it like that, but I am not. You can see there's a gap at the top of the decal. That doesn't matter too much, because either way I always file my nails down towards the end. So I'm grabbing the other two pinup girls that I showed you guys, and I put them in the water so that they can get ready to be used on the ring finger. So I went ahead and grabbed the flames one, and I put it down, and I was getting really nervous, you guys, because for some reason these colored ones were slipping more. Like, I don't know if it was the pigment in the color or something, but it was slipping and sliding even more than the other ones. So that's when I definitely had to grab my brush and try to fix it. You'll definitely see me struggling a little bit. Again, I've never used these, so if you guys have any tips, let me know. I was using the brush to kind of try to squeegee out all the water that was underneath the decal in between with the nail. And I did want to say as well that when you're using these decals, I think using a white background works best so that you could see the color of the decal. If I was to go in with another color, I feel like you wouldn't have been able to see it that well. So now I'm going ahead and flattening out the decal. And then I think I grabbed a little bit of acetone, and yeah, I'm like melting off the decal from the edges. So my brush has acetone on it, and I'm kind of just trying to melt it off. I actually saw Raya's Nails do this on her Instagram a lot with her decals, so I thought it would probably work. These decals were a little bit thick, so I don't know if it worked that good, but this is just what I did, and it worked pretty good for, you know, my first time. And then once I was done with that, I went ahead and top coated it right away as well, just to encapsulate it. I made sure to go all the way down the sides and the edges so that there was no exposed decal. And then now I'm grabbing my favorite black gel polish. This is from nailzbydev, and I am putting that on the middle finger. We are going to be glamming this nail out. I really wanted the glam nail to be on the middle finger. I just felt like it was a vibe, so that's what I did. And you only need one coat of this gel. It is so good, so pigmented. It is the best black gel I've ever used ever. It is amazing. So yeah, I went ahead with that color, and then we're going to put it to cure. Then I went to grab this cute girl in the martini glass. This is my favorite decal. This is the one that inspired this whole set. She has like a black outfit on and some black lipstick, and it was just so cute. So I loved the red background too. So I went ahead and just grabbed that one, and I'm putting it right here on the ring finger. Of course, I'm kind of gonna struggle again with this one because they're a little slippery, but this one did go on a little bit better. You can also see that I tried to cut it kind of square shaped, because I don't know why when it was rounded at the top it wasn't like so flat. So I think that also helped a little bit. yeah, you just want to make sure that all the water's out and it's completely dry before you top coat anything.
Perfect.
Next, I'm going in with this Nail Reserve gel polish. This color is called Goddess. I just felt like this color was absolutely perfect for the set. Even the name, the red, everything about it is perfect. I love this red. It is one of my favorites. I'm actually almost out of it because it's that good. So yeah, I'm going in with this color, and it is also a one coat gel, but I just love it so much. I am going to go ahead and put that on the thumb and on the pinky, and we're going to be doing some really pretty flames on these nails.
Perfect.
So now I'm going to grab a really thin brush. This is about a 15mm brush, and I'm going to be creating some flames with my black gel polish from nailzbydev, the same one I used on the middle finger. I'm going to be doing some flames. So you're going to want to create a really curvy U shape and then create lines going all the way up, and that is going to create like the perfect flame nail. You're gonna just kind of connect it and make the lines thicker from the bottom, going skinnier to the top. That's why you want to use a really thin brush. You cannot create a flame, like you cannot create small flames with a thick brush because it won't give it that flame look. So yeah, the thinner the brush, the better. And I had mentioned to you guys that I'm gonna film a video on how I customize my brushes. I have a Sissy nail brush that I want to customize, so I'm gonna be filming that probably today so that you guys can see how I do it, so you guys can do it to some of your brushes as well. But yeah, now I'm just gonna fill in like the whole bottom of the flame part, so you can actually, like, you know, see the whole form of it. And I love these flames. They're so cute for Halloween, you know, like this type of nail is just so really cute. And this whole set was just giving me like really cute vibes, Halloween vibes. Like imagine a she-devil Halloween costume. I feel like it would be really cute if you wore like a red corset and some cute heels, red glitter on your lips. Like imagine the whole vibe, you guys. You guys probably get the vision that I was having for this set. So yeah, I'm doing another flame on the other thumb, and then we're also going to do it on the pinky. I really didn't want the nails to be so simple on the thumb and pinky. I knew for sure that I wasn't going to add rhinestones to these nails, so I went in with this color called I Sleigh. This is from nailzbydev. It is from her Christmas collection of this past year. It is so beautiful. This red color is just incredible. I can't wait to see what she comes out with for Christmas this year. I was literally just a few minutes ago, you guys, crying real tears because I missed out on the Halloween collection. I don't know how I missed it, but her products are so amazing. I use them so much and I constantly repurchase them. That's like how you know a product's good, because I don't usually purchase any products unless I know for sure I'm going to use them. So I'm not the type to like purchase things and just because I think they're cute or anything like that. I will only buy it for like nail stuff. I will only buy it if I know I'm going to use it for sure. But yeah, this color is amazing. I've repurchased it I think 2 or 3 times, and that was just from Christmas of last year because that's how much I've used it. And yeah, I really love it. So I'm just doing this to outline the black flames because it's going to give it like a little extra glitter, and it's just going to make it sparkle more, and I just really like it. I actually love how it ended up looking. So yeah, that's what I did around the flames. And now I'm going to be grabbing this color called Speeding Ticket. This is more of a brighter red, more of an orangey red, and I really wanted it to pop more, so I went in with this color outlining the flames as well so that the glitter's on the outside, just because I felt like it was going to make it pop a little bit better, and it did. I really am glad that I decided to do this.
Perfect.
So I remembered that I had this shading gel from nailzbydev. It is like a really sheer black, almost like a black jelly color. It's meant for shading when you're drawing characters and stuff. But I just really did not like the way the lace looked like on top of the pure white. And I just remembered like lace tights, you know, like that type of vibe. I feel like they are definitely have like a sheer black you know, look to them. So I was like, no, I'm definitely gonna go in with the sheer black. But something I realized was I had already top coated the first time, so I had to go in and buff them first so that I could go ahead and apply the shading gel on top. Oh, don't mind what I'm doing here. I was just trying to see if I can make the black nail glittery, and it did work, but I just didn't end up liking it, so I ended up taking it off. But yeah, so we're definitely doing the shading gel on this nail. I just made sure to go thin on the gel for this nail because I wanted to make sure that you could still see the lace underneath, you know, just so that it has that sheer and then that darker color. So yeah, I really like how it ended up looking. I really liked it, so I went ahead and cured that and then did the same thing to the other nail as well.
Perfect.
So now for my rhinestones, I'm going to go ahead and buff again. I did already top coat all the nails, so I'm making sure to buff first because you want to make sure that your nail glue has somewhere to, like, some grit, or your charm glue, so that it has some grit to stick to, because it'll just probably peel off. I'm not sure. I've never tried it, but I just want to make sure that it's super sturdy. So I buffed wherever my rhinestones were going to go. I have these really pretty red ones, and I'm going to be putting just some right here to block out the white part that's showing underneath, from, you know, the color that we had already put down. And then I'm going to be putting a whole bunch of pretty charms on the middle finger. So I'm going to go in with the squeezy gel from enailcouture right here in the middle, and I'm putting kind of a lot because I knew I was going to put some big charms. So I'm putting this really pretty square cubic zirconia charm, and then I'm putting this pretty rose. It's just a red rose little charm, and then I'm putting this kind of like, I don't know what that thing's called, but it's like a little X charm, really cute. I think it's kind of like maybe what they kind of use for like piercings, I'm not sure. But then I'm using these red lips and then a black rose as well, and I just love the way the charms look together. The lips are so cute, you know, like red lips. It just goes with the whole vibe of the set. I really love it. And once it was cured, this is how it looked. I made sure to double, triple, even triple cure it just to make sure it's cured all the way through, because this rhinestone gel is it does dry with the lamp, so I just made sure to do that. And then I wanted to add some extra rhinestones, so I went in with more, and then I went ahead and put some red rhinestones in certain areas just so it can kind of separate each charm from each other. I like to do that, especially when I have charms on a black background. I just want to add rhinestones to kind of separate the charms from the back of the nail so that you can really see them and the charms pop out more. I hope that makes sense, but that's just what I like to do. And it doesn't matter the size. I'm just going in with random sizes and putting them wherever I think they should go. And of course, I go in with extra glue around the roses because the roses stick up a little bit more on the nail. So you want to make sure that you have extra glue underneath so that they're super secure and really in there. And yeah, so I really love how this nail looks. Super cute. I am loving this set for Halloween. And of course, I'm going to do the same thing to the other hand.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
And then you guys, at the very last second, I really wanted to add a charm right here to the pinky. So I went in with this pretty charm. It is like a kind of like, it's just a lock, like a black heart lock. And I felt like, of course, you know, it went with the vibes. So I went ahead and used that right here on the pinky. I don't know if you guys noticed as well. I did the flames different directions. I did the pinky one facing down and the thumb one facing up. No particular reason. I just wanted it to look cool, so I just did it. You know, that's like the fun of nails, is there's no rules. You don't have to put anything facing a certain way, just like literally whatever you want. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. I felt like it looked really cute. So this was the finished result, and then I'm going to show you guys like the actual finished video, which I absolutely love. So this is the finished set. I am so in love with these. I actually am selling these. I made them for fun, of course for here for my YouTube channel for you guys, but I kind of wanted to sell them, but I did make them in a size like medium, so pretty much my size. If anyone's interested, on my Instagram, press on Slayed by Val. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, you guys know I love sharing all my tips and tricks with you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate it. Bye!